Hello, welcome back again into my channel. I'm gonna show you how I create a formula to save to make the review for the post or post type. So the result will be like this. So we have a new form type, which is a icon which you can select from the minimum to the maximum number. It's similar rate or like a rating star or so. And then this the value of the font will be attached um to the post by using a hidden field post ID. So let's say this is my article, so let's pretend that is some product that that can be reviewed. So I will so this is my setup. I use SCF to create a post type review with I don't know. So yeah, and then I create a field group for the review post type. So there are three a field, which is the first is the name, the second one is the rating, the third one is the post object, the post, which is the type you can see here. But I forget to add some email. I think email. All right, save it. And then you can see that I got the post type review, and we can add manually through here. Name, title, content name, rating, post, and email. Oh, okay. So the idea is to just extend the bricks form by using this filter. You can just put an AI. As long as you know the filter, you can which filter can do what to do some specific uh, function. For this purpose, I have this form, and then I need to add a new type, which is rating. So I use a bricks element from control, and then add some type option with rating name. And then when I choose this the rating, let's see, let's add some new form. Let's delete this first. So when I choose the new option that I created before, there will be a new control that I can choose, which is the min value, the max value, and the icon itself. So all the control is created using the filter bricks element form control. And you can see you can learn it on the Bricks Academy website. This is relatively easy, but the hardest part is how we can render or get the data from the value we save on this control. Let's say so 1 5 and then icon, let's say the Temify. How we can show this a new control value on the front end. I use the bricks front end render element, and then it will search for the form element, and then we get the settings of value from that element, which is rating. Yeah, this is what I created before, and then rendering, then add some CSS, JavaScript to make rating start work on the front end. And then I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And then just some PHP code that I use AI. I don't know what is that function. I think I'm not really a coder myself, but this two filter that you only need to make form work. So let me demonstrate it. So I got the rating field here. You can see that as I said that there will be a new control that we can set. So let's say so if you take a look here, I have like 10 maximum value. We're going to reduce it to let's say 5. Then let's choose a font awesome. Let's see some no, I don't see star. I add this one. And then I need to map the value of the form into the custom field, which I might use using SCF, and then to the post title and the post content itself. So we go to create action, select create post, and then go to create post a tab, choose the post type, which which type post that we're gonna save the form into. And then the field mapping is relatively regular. There's no weird things or extraordinary things. The post meta is we just we just select or put this custom field name, and then the meta value is get from the form field itself. The name to the post title. Oh no, sorry. The name to the post to the custom field name, the rating to the rating field name, and then the post ID. We need to get this post ID, so we can attach it to we can set it to the post custom field. And then do I have email? Okay, I got email. Let's see. All right, I need to add one. Custom field is email. The custom field name. Select email, and then I think it's done. Let's see on the front end. Now I got we can customize it using CSS for the color. Let's say I just pick 5. My name is David. The email is 1. Title is good post. Review is good post. Again, okay, let's save it. That's successfully sent. The action should be saved. The action is create post, so I need to go to the review. Let's see, we have like we have the form value as a post in the review post type. We have post title, we have the post content, we have the name, we have the rating, we have the post where the form is placed, or yeah, I think like that email. We got email too, and that's it. The key is you only need, as I said, you only need to use this only to filter, which is bricks element form control, and then bricks font and render element. So as long as you know what filter can be used for what function, for what function, you can extend the bricks. Don't worry if you don't have knowledge about the PHP or programming thing. You can use AI. I also use AI, so it's okay. Then you can do anything with builder. I think, yeah, that's how powerful this builder. So I think that's it for today a video. If you want to ask some question, you can join my live stream. Usually at 7 p.m. 7 UTC plus 7 plus UTC, I guess, or the time around that. Thank you for watching, and happy coding. See you everyone.